Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have an 11-minute conditioning workout. So I don't know, thumbnail might say 10 minutes or 12 minutes, maybe 11, whatever the algorithm likes. This is Fit After 50 once again. My name is Paul and we're taking you through today's workout. We got a conditioning workout, like I said, 11 minutes, 3 minutes on, 1 minute off. We're starting off with some hand tap, shoulder tap, push-up type of exercises. We're gonna be using dumbbells for this workout. I'm gonna be using one set of dumbbells. Having said all this, we're starting in 7 seconds. Let's get down on the ground for 5 seconds. You guys should be seeing the preview right now, and let's get going. Ready? And let's go. Tap, push up, tap, push up, tap knee, push up, tap the other knee, push up, toe, up, toe, up. Back to the beginning, ready? Boom, push up, boom, push up, knee, push up, looking good, feeling good, push up, toe, up, toe, up. Back to shoulders, ready? Shoulder, boom, shoulder, boom, knee, looking good, other knee, looking good, toe. Let's go. 10 seconds left. Boom. Shoulder. Boom. Shoulder. Boom. Knee. Boom. Flip it right on over. Grab your dumbbells. Times are wasted. Ready? Both up. And just give me one. 1, 2, 3. Give me the other one. 1, 2, 3. Give me both. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 1, 2, 3, and the other one. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Nice, good pace without going crazy. 2, 3. Back to the top. 1, 2. Come on. It's getting heavy. 1, 2, and 3. Both. 1, 2, and 3. Back to the top. 10 seconds left. 1, 2, 3. And the other one. 1, 2, 3. And here's the whistle. Let's get up. Get the dumbbells out of the way. And we're squatting for 1 minute. Let's go. 1. Nice, good pace. Keep it right here. As many squats as we can do. "30 seconds left, keep moving. Stay with me, 15 seconds. 10. Come on, we're almost to the break. 5, 3, 2, last one. All right guys, take a little break and I'll see you in a minute. All right, welcome back. We have 15 seconds left until we start our next exercise. We're going to wood chopper. I'm going to use my heavy dumbbell for this. Do as many as I can on one side. Then we're going to switch or do a minute on the other side. You guys ready? 2, 1, and let's go. Keep it up. strength and conditioning today. This exercise has us both of them in it. 25 seconds left before we switch to the other side. I don't care what side you started on, switch it up. 15 seconds, keep it up. Boom. 10. 5. 3, 2, 1. The other side. Let's go. So it feels awkward. It's okay. There we go. Now we're on a roll. Keep it up. Work with me. Work with me. Work hard. Come on. I'm working hard. I love working out with you guys. Let's go. 2, 1, 2. Come on. 30 seconds left. Halfway there. We're gonna go to goblet lunges. So keep on hanging on to that dumbbell. "15 seconds left. Come on, we got this. I'm using a 30-pound dumbbell if anybody wants to know for whatever reason. It's getting the best of me, but we got 3 seconds left. I got it. You got it. Boom. Hang on to that dumbbell. Step back, don't trip over anything, and step forward. We get to stop in 35 seconds. Till then, keep going. "15 seconds. Keep it up. We got a 1-minute break coming up after this. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'll see you guys in a minute. Welcome back. We got Russian twists on the ground. We're twisting for 1 minute. We got 2 core exercises left and a little running in place. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, legs up and let's go. 60 seconds. Want to see good effort. You have 3 minutes of working out left. We got this. Come on. Keep moving, keep going, come on. If you're hurting right now, make sure you subscribe later on to come back for another workout. Only good kind of pain we accept here. If you're feeling injured, by all means, stop. 20 seconds left, keep it up. Keep twisting, another 15. We're going to the candlestick after this. Or high leg raises, whatever you want to call it. Do the best that you can. I will. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay down. Support the lower back. Legs out, legs up. Out, up. Nice and easy. 1 minute. Stay here. Keep working. Up. If you can get that pelvis off the ground, bonus points. Boom, towards the ceiling. Ready? Boom, you got it. Let's go. Up, down, up, down. 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Down, up, and down. Come on. Work hard. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get up. We're running in place. Come on, as fast as we can. High knees, high as you can go. We got 1 minute. Burn it up, burn it up. But then we're running at 400 in 1 minute. That's really fast. Probably too fast for me, but you know what? I'm trying. Come on, run with me. Get closer and get farther away. Come on, a little closer. Actually running a little farther away. Let's go. Keep your mind occupied, keep moving. You got less than 30 seconds left. Closer and back. Come on, run, 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 run. And run backwards. Run, run, run forward. Just run in place. I don't care. 15 seconds left. Sprint it out to the finish line. Let's go. Keep moving. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Whew. There we go, guys. We are done with our 11-minute workout today. Full body conditioning. I love that. I hope you guys had a good time. Good time. Great time. Good time. However you want to call it. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. I'm out of breath. My name is Paul. Workouts come out every Monday and every Thursday. For 5 years running now, we have not skipped an upload. So if you want to be consistent, make sure to join me. I'll see you guys during next workout.